In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with HubSpot CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Google Analytics 4 connected to your HubSpot pages so you can track traffic and engagement with confidence. Start by heading to HubSpot.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to edit account settings and website tools, since we'll be working inside the settings area. Once you're in, look to the top right of your HubSpot dashboard and click the gear icon. That opens the main settings panel, which is where HubSpot keeps all site content and integration controls. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you find the Tools section, then select Content. This is where your website and landing page settings live, and it's the place to connect analytics so the tracking code loads on every HubSpot hosted page. Within Content, choose Pages. You'll land on a screen that applies to both website and landing pages, which is exactly what we want for consistent analytics coverage. At the top of the Pages settings, switch to the Integrations area. This tab centralizes add-ons and third-party connections that extend your site's functionality. Here, look for the option labeled Integrate with Google Analytics 4. Enable it. Turning this on tells HubSpot to load the GA4 tag across your pages so page views and events can be captured correctly. When you enable the integration, HubSpot will prompt you for your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. This is the identifier that starts with G and a dash, and it's unique to your web data stream. If you're not sure where to find it, open Google Analytics, go to Admin, choose your GA4 property, open Data Streams, select your web stream, and copy the measurement ID shown there. Be sure you're using the GA4 measurement ID, not an older Universal Analytics Tracking ID. Paste the measurement ID into the field in HubSpot exactly as it appears without extra spaces. After you enter it, HubSpot will apply the setting to your pages. If you see a prompt to save or publish changes, confirm it so the integration takes effect. A few tips as you wrap up. It can take some time for data to appear in standard reports, but you can check real-time in Google Analytics shortly after enabling the integration to verify that visits are being recorded. If you use a cookie consent banner, confirm that your consent settings align with your compliance needs so analytics loads appropriately. And if you already deploy GA4 through another tag manager, avoid duplicating tags to prevent double counting. That's it, your HubSpot